So, ito yung video kung paano ba tayo mag-cash in gamit ng ating credit card. So, click mo yung cash in. And then, piliin mo itong debit or credit card. Then, example, 1,000. Confirm mo yung payment. Tapos, i-input mo yung transaction password mo. And then, so 89 yung charge ng 1,000. So, credit card number. Input mo yung credit card number. Tapos, kailan ba mag-e-expire? Tapos, yung CVV. Tapos, sino yung name sa card? So, pay now. Then, you get the OTP. So, 5638, 563805. Then, authenticate. Successful. So, back to home. Pumasok na.